Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press upper or the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. In the menu, tap on the watch face option, and here we have the list of watch faces, and we can scroll through the list by swiping left and right on the screen, like this. Now, let's find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also add new watch faces, so let's open the watch face menu, scroll through the menu, scroll to the right until you find the plus button, tap on the plus button, and here we have a couple of ways we can customize the watch face. Basically, we can create a custom watch face. We can change the background by swiping up and down, like this. Then we can change the type of the clock. Next, we can change the color, change the data, basically the widgets. And last option is time markers. And once you're done, press the upper button. And as you can see, we created this custom watch face. We can also customize the watch faces, so let's open the menu. And as you can see, under the watch faces, we have this edit button. You can tap on it, and we can adjust things like color, data, time markers, and we can remove the watch face. So let's tap on the color first. We can change the color of the minutes, then press the upper button. Next we have data. So basically we can customize the widgets on the watch face, like that. And once you're done, press the upper button. And also we can change the time markers. And once you're done, you can tap on the watch face to apply it. And also, like I said before, you can remove the watch faces, so you can tap on edit, scroll down, tap on delete, and wait until it's done removing. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.